content analyzer, first you must plug in the CD-ROM into the CD player. So now I plug it in. So when I plug it in, you go to your CD. You look at here, you can see CD TW writer. Okay, in this, do read me before installation. Okay, let it come over. Okay, what it say in the installation? Let me see. That's okay. Oh yeah. Oh no, I put. Not yet. Cannot read yet. In the installation here, you will see let me switch on and off. Okay.
Good.
Yes. Okay. It say that must exit the antivirus and delete all other quantum software installed in the system before installation. That means whatever quantum here, I must delete when I install the new one. That means I must delete this one. If you have the old one. So how you delete is anything called uninstall. I delete. Delete in both Dropbox and your computer. I say yes, delete everywhere. So I deleted. Now go back again. I deleted. Now must exit the antivirus. Just now I deleted all the quantum software. Now I have to exit. So how I exit is that I will type antivirus. See, virus and threat protection. So in the here, you can look at virus and threat protection setting. Manage setting. Real-time protection, you off. Yes. You off it. No more protection. You can install this. Either is you put into the copy to the desk. I replace it. Let it run. You do the same up, we receive the new one. Because it's another version, yes. I have to do the same. I have to delete this, the old one.
Yeah.
Okay, now you have to install. Okay, you see this. Then you install. So when you install, you have to plug in this. I think plug in using the one. Oh, now I change to my computer. I saw I installed the new one. Okay, never mind. I see that.
Yeah.
Because this one can put into your this. And where is the blue one? It's in the back. Yeah.
This is yours or mine?
Yes.
Then the other one is yours.
Mine, yes.
Oh.
It's the same one. The machine, so this part is the same. So I got in here. I don't need this anymore. And this one, I plug in. Both are the same. It's only the software is different, but the decoder is the same. Okay, then now I install. Yes. Is there one? See? S. If you get the one, it's 2024. Install.
It's already installed.
Yeah, let it continue. Finish. Okay. This one. This is came on.
Cannot.
Oh.
Now can.
Oh.
But using yours. Oh, using mine. Oh. How come?
Can I explain?
Yeah, can I explain, right?
Can I explain? Okay, you off the phone for a while. So I
Okay.
go